Rooster the Till is a small, independently owned, eclectic restaurant in Seminole Heights. We've been here for just under 6 years now.
I found Rooster in the Till and I fell in love with the food and the open kitchen concept, which I really enjoy. And it's always a great experience to talk to the customers.
This year, Arturo Rojas, our sous chef, is competing. He's super hungry. He's eaten at more Michelin star restaurants around the world than I have, quite literally. He's always continuing education himself. He's reading, he's watching documentaries, he's traveling, eating, coming in early. He's an animal in terms of hunger for getting better. He's super young for the competition aspect of things. As are most people, they don't really go through this too often. So it's really fun for me to see them sweat under the pressure in a good way. And it just builds character, you know, it teaches them how to speak in front of people, how to carry themselves, how to cook under pressure, how to think under pressure, which are all, you know, important things in this world and also in this industry.
I'm currently 22. I don't know if I am going to be one of the youngest ones, but I'm nervous, but I just really want to learn. I would love to see other people's skills through the competition and just build mutual relationships and meet some chefs around Tampa.
Participating in Epic Chef event for us is really important, most importantly because it's for feeding Tampa Bay. It's a great way for our young cooks to be put under pressure and experience those types of events, and it's really fun, it's engaging. Everybody wants to win, but we try to stay humble and we just want to embrace Tampa Bay and all the other chefs and cooks that participate, you know, show up, make it the best that we could possibly make it, support feeding Tampa Bay, and grow from there.
Honestly, since I've grown up in Peru, I've seen a lot of people not be able to even buy food. At a young age, I've always been taught to help the needy and always, you know, supply them with food. When I lived in Peru, me and my mom used to have big meals and invite everybody from the neighborhood that couldn't afford a meal. And it's just been an experience. I love feeding people because I love seeing the happiness on their face. And being a part of this and representing Rooster the Till is really going to be a great experience, and I'm really happy I'm doing it.